Buckingham Palace. I wonder if anyone's at home. I know. I'll go and knock on the door and find out. Oh, it's the maker phone. Oh, it's Toki.
Ah!
Hello.
It's Minute Maid time in South Africa.
I'm on my way. It's Minute Maid time. Ooh. It's Minute Maid time! And today we're going to make one of these silly straws. Oh, delicious. And what a fun way to enjoy your favourite drink. Now, we can make one of these silly straws by using these arty things. Some fun foam, a drinking straw, a pen, a pencil, some scissors, and some modelling clay. But my friends, do you think it's possible to make a silly straw in just 1 minute?
No way!
Oh, well, I think I can. I will have to be very quick, but don't worry, I'll remind you how to do it at the end. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Are you ready? Fantastic! Let's make it in a minute!
3, 2, 1!
Start the clock! Right, the first thing we're going to do is fold our piece of fun foam in half, and then we're going to draw on a teardrop shape, starting at the folded edge, like that. Round and round it goes. And then we're going to cut out that teardrop shape, starting at the folded edge, but we need to be very careful because scissors up!
Yeah!
That's right. When we open up this teardrop shape, it should look like the shape of a moustache. Right, now we need to get our modelling clay, and we're going to put that on the table, and then we're going to take our pencil. Now, very carefully, we push through the foam into the modelling clay. That makes a hole, like that, and then we can use that hole to push in our drinking straw. Let's push it through. Through it goes. Come on now, there we go. We push it through and we've made a silly straw. I did it! Let's test it out though. Let's have a look. Perfect. But if you've got more than a minute, you could try all sorts of ideas.
How about this silly mouth with purple lips and triangle teeth? Or you could have a go at making a crazy creature straw with pipe cleaner whiskers and a bright red tongue.
Silly straws made in just 1 minute. Why don't you try it? Here's a reminder of how to do it.
Let's go back to the beginning and take another look. Fold a piece of fun foam in half and draw on a teardrop shape. Carefully cut it out, and when you open it, you should have a moustache shape. Now make a hole like this using modelling clay and a pencil, and push your straw through the hole. Your silly straw is finished.
Why don't you try and make it in a minute? Thank you so much, everyone, for being part of another marvellous Minute Maid!
Make it, Mr. Maker! Mr. Maker!